Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you where you can find some data entry online jobs that pay you via PayPal and have a whole lot of openings right now. It's at a company called sigtrack.net. They're looking for thousands of openings to be filled because they are a company that specializes in data entry for voter registration entries and petition signatures. So these are US based, and the US of course has elections and all of that this year. So for 2020, they're looking for thousands of new users. And basically, they do pay you via PayPal. They have flexible hours. Again, United States based. You can use PC or Mac. You can also get paid weekly via PayPal. And you make more money the more accurate you are. So they give like an example. So when it comes to getting started, again, it's based in the US, but they do not have openings in California or Massachusetts right now. So other than those two states, you should be able to apply for the US. But as an example for pay, they give you like, you might make $120 or you might be scheduled to make $120 in a day. So, you know, if you're looking for a job that pays maybe around $100 a day or something like that, maybe a little bit less than that, they should be able to get you there in many cases, depending on how many hours you work. Again, you have flexible hours, and so it'll depend on how much time you can spend doing this, but it has to do with your accuracy. So your accuracy, so if you're scheduled to make $120 that day, that's for 100% accuracy. So then they tell you, you know, after each 1% off of 100% accuracy, they take a little bit off of your commission. So based on accuracy and based on how much you're scheduled to make that day from your work will depend on how much you make in a day. As far as reviews, you can check their reviews at Indeed.com. They have 4 reviews so far for SigTrack, 3.5 out of 5-star rating, so about average, maybe a little bit above, pretty good rating. You can read reviews right there if you're wondering what it's like to work for them. And again, you can go to the different pages, like they have the Get Started page. You can click that right there. And when you click this page, it'll give you more information about this. A lot of it I've already gone over, but it'll walk you through the application process. And then when you go to How Pay Works, which is the button on the right side, it'll mention you need a PayPal account. And then it'll give you a breakdown of accuracy and some other things like that. And then I also recommend you go to typingtest.com to make sure you know your typing speed and accuracy. This can also help you work on your typing speed and accuracy if you want to maybe delay applying for a little bit, just to kind of get used to that. So if you are trying to make as much money as possible, get that accuracy up and typing speed at typingtest.com, and it's 100% free to take these tests here. So other than that, I just wanted to show you where you could find some data entry jobs. I know a lot of you are looking for those, and they pay via PayPal. So they're looking for a lot of new people this year. So for 2020, give SigTrack a try, and I will see you in the next video.